For me, show business was very challenging because wala akong background. Yan ang isang industriya na hindi ko gustong pasukin or wala sa isip ko. Minahal ko na rin ngayon because masarap din pala, enjoy. Magaan lang siya. Hindi siya actually mahirap. Pero nung umpisa, napakahirap because you have to go into workshops. Kung gusto mong galingan yung craft mo, kailangan mo talagang seryosohin. And napamahal na rin sa akin. So, ang sabi nga nila, pagka nag-enjoy ka na sa isang bagay na ginagawa mo, ang pakiramdam mo parang hindi na trabaho. Wala akong regrets, but there were times na parang gusto ko nang umalis kasi parang ang feeling ko hindi para sa akin to. Because gano'n naman talaga yung naramdaman ko noon. But if you stay in there long enough, matututunan mo rin, and God willing, you will love your career. And yan ang nangyari sa akin. So it was gradual, it was slow, and it was well worth it for me. So ang regrets ko are actually wala because lahat ng dinaanan ko I think is part of the learning process. Yun ang mga challenges ko, yun ang mga hurdles ko. And overall, if you ask me kung nagustuhan ko or hindi, actually, yeah, nagustuhan ko eh. It gave you maraming mga learning curves. It gave me a lot of experience. It made me a better person.